Restruction Corporation, based in Tempe, Arizona, provides an innovative bridge repair service. Their efficient structural strengthening solutions and concrete repair enhance stability and improve user safety. As leading contractors in the Tempe area, they specialize in structural strengthening, concrete patching, and structural concrete repair. The team consists of construction professionals with wide-ranging experience in conceptualizing, estimating, bidding, and more. Their team has over 50 years of experience in the field managing structural repair and strengthening projects. The restructuring process is designed to combat problems that you may encounter with a typical bridge repair. As part of their focus on the best bridge repair work, Restruction Corporation offers a cutting-edge bridge budget management platform. Find out more at arizona.restruction.com.